So hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Grow with Donor YouTube channel. In this channel, I made a tutorial on how you can, make videos, get views, get subscribers and monetize and become successful on this YouTube platform. Now, in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can optimize your YouTube videos for search, for discoverability. Because just imagine you make a great video and you upload it to your YouTube channel, and at the end of the day, you go to the YouTube search and search the title of your videos, you cannot find it. You see the first video, your video is not there. The second video, your video is not there. The third, your video is not there. The fifth, your video is not there. The sixth, your video is not there. Then you should know that you have actually done something very, very wrong, which is not supposed to be. So now that's why I'm going to share with you how you can, upload your videos to your YouTube channel and it will get discovered on the YouTube search and some other website. Is very, very important. Because this, if you did not do this very well, I'm telling you, your videos might not get views, and that is how your videos might die down. No matter how hard work you actually put into making the videos, it might not get views. Now, the first thing you have to do is how to optimize your YouTube video. First thing is for you to optimize your YouTube channel. On your YouTube channel keywords, ensure the name of your YouTube channel is the first keywords on the tab. Enter the name of your keywords, the title, the name of your channel. Enter it as the first. Then any other keywords should be related to the kind of videos, the kind of niche you are in. So after you have done this, if you go to the YouTube search, if you search the name of your YouTube channel, your channel will come out as first, and you have already optimized your YouTube channel. That's the first thing. Then after that, anytime you upload your videos, whenever you are making a title, whenever you are writing the title of that same videos, the first thing you need to do is, before you even upload the video, just go to YouTube search and search the kind of content you actually want to make. Search it. You will see the auto completion. The auto completion, just copy them down. After you have copied them down, then go to the YouTube search and search that same content that you actually want to make, because there are a lot of people who are making the same content. They see the way they title their videos. If you check the way they title their videos, then from the keywords you have written down, then you will now devise how you can create your own title. It will be related with their own title, but it will not be the same. If it is the same, then your videos and that person's videos may likely collide. And what if the person you write the same title with, his video has already gone viral? Then you know that your video is going to die. So you need to know this. You will craft your title based on the way these people are doing it. Let's say I want to make videos on how to optimize YouTube videos, and another person has already write his title on how to optimize YouTube videos for search. Then how am I going to write my own? I'll just say how to optimize YouTube videos for search in 2026. In that 2026 that I add, it has make it look different to that person's own. So these are ways you write your title. Then after writing your title, the next thing for you is to craft a descriptions. If you don't know how to write a descriptions, you can just go to ChatGPT and enter the title of your videos. Then ask the ChatGPT to get a video descriptions for you. It will write a comprehensive video description, including the tags that are searchable. It will write it for you. So don't forget, the first 3 keywords should be something that's related with your content. Let's say this video is how to optimize YouTube videos. The first tag is YouTube SEO. The second tag is YouTube tips. Why the third tab is how to optimize video. You see that these tags, they are related with the kind of videos I'm currently making. So that's how you optimize your videos for it to get views. And another step you have to do is your tags. Your tags, ensure that the tags does not more than, let me say, 10. Because if you copy every tags and complete it in the tags, let me tell you something, the YouTube algorithm will believe that maybe you are spamming keyword tags, and they will not even know the specific one to grant your content to. So that's why if you write at least 10 or 5 keywords that are rich, that people are currently searching on, then your videos are very, very high of getting searched. So the YouTube algorithm will know that yes, at least these 5 keywords you have given it, then it will know that yes, these are the kind of people that your content will be suggested to. And that's how you start getting views, you start getting subscribers, your video will start getting recommended. And do not forget to categorize your video. Categorize is very, very important. If you categorize your videos, I think to the kind of specific audience you actually target, they will be the one to watch your content and not any other, people. Because when your videos are not well categorized, then you are making videos on how to do something, and people who are ready to watch politics are the one getting to see your video. They will not click it because that's not the interest they actually comes to watch on YouTube. So categorize your videos, and do not forget to add your videos to playlist. Yes, if you take a look at your YouTube analytic, this thing will tell you your video suggestion, the content that are currently suggesting you, and how your videos are being suggested. You will see that playlist is one of those things that usually suggest people's video. That's why it is very, very important for you to add your video to a playlist. If you want to create a playlist, it will actually make your channel to look very tidy. Yes, your video will not look jam-packed. It will look very tidy, and people who watch it, they will know that yes, this content, this person that created this channel actually tried very well. He created this channel very well. The thumbnail, everything are well written. Then that's how people will trust you and continue to subscribe to your YouTube channel, and you continue to generate view. It's very, very important. So I think your title, your descriptions are very, very important for you to get views and for you to get discovered on both the YouTube search and also on the YouTube homepage and other websites like Google. Because most especially, the descriptions are the one that is making videos to discovered under different websites aside from aside from YouTube. So you should know how to do video SEO. Is very, very important. YouTube search engine optimization. Once you optimize your videos very well for discoverability, then people will come to the YouTube. They will be able to search something and your video will come out for them. Even though the YouTube algorithm will be suggesting your videos through other people's content. And that's how you start getting views, you start getting subscribers. So these are ways you optimize your YouTube videos for it to get views. The title, the descriptions is very, very important. Even though if you did not put thumbnail, your videos will still get discovered, even though if you did not add thumbnail. But ensure your videos is well categorized. Categorize it and allow embedding is very, very important. Then another thing for you to do is add your video to end screen. End screen, while your video is currently uploading, just add it to end screen. This end screen actually suggests more of your content while the viewers is currently watching your videos. So this is another way you optimize your videos. Even though your previous videos, you optimize it with the current videos you are uploading. And that's how you continue to get more and more views and more subscribers. It's very, very important for you to do this. Then after that, you just allow the video to, once it upload finish and once the checking is done, then the next thing for you is to go and click on publish. After you publish it, another SEO you need to do is share your content. Share it to different kind of websites. Share it to X. Share it to Facebook. Share it to WhatsApp status. And that's how you continue to get views, get subscribers, and your channel will continue to grow. So these are ways you do YouTube SEO. Is very, very important. Once you know how to do this, let me tell you something, your videos is ready to pick up. And if you go to the YouTube search, if you search the name of your videos, you will get it discovered. Even though if it is not ranked first, it will rank second or third. It's very, very important for you to know this. So guys, if you find this video very helpful, I hope you subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell, make a comment. Thank you guys.